Who is not in love with this chaise? So today in Designer's Den, we're going to talk about how to style this oversized piece of furniture. In this room, we paired it with this really deep sofa. So it goes really well together because we have two pieces of deep furniture.
And then paired with these large scale pieces is this coffee table, which is just in proportionate to the size of the sofa and this chaise, which is really nice. And then also, let's talk about the texture of the chaise. The wide channeling really makes an impact in the room. So you don't want to pair it with something with just as much texture. I love the sofa, how it's very subtle, and it lets this kind of be the star of the show. And then even looking at the rug has similar lines, similar horizontal lines that mimic back to this, but it's at a smaller scale. So again, it's not overwhelming in the room.
Right, and going back to the cocktail table, it's a smooth texture.
Yeah.
So again, keeping that smooth sofa, smooth cocktail table, and then this is the star of the show.
Yeah, it's a really nice balance in the room. And because so many of you guys have fallen in love with this chaise, we really want to see what it looks like in your space. So please comment below in this video with photos of the chaise in your home.
And with that said, so we're selling this like crazy. This is actually the second color. It's a beige color. We also have the gray, and then we also have just the faux fur without the channeling. We're constantly getting them back in from the factory. So if you go and order and it's out of stock, keep on ordering, and it'll come back in a moment's notice, maybe a couple of weeks. This factory is producing these like crazy.
We got you covered, so we're on it. And we'll see you next week for Designer's Den.